Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to send a blank message on Snapchat. So let's suppose that I want to send a message to one of my friends, but if I type space and then if I send, it won't let me send the message. Okay, so how you can send a blank message? So first of all you have to go on to the Google and type this blank character, and then you have to open up this first site, and then you will actually copy this symbol from here. Just tap and copy this, and then again move into the messages, and then you paste this over here, and then it allows you to send the message. Then you will send on this, and now the message has been sent. So that's how you can actually send a blank message on WhatsApp, on Snapchat, sorry. So guys, if you like this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.